Industry Data Analytics latest published professional coffee machine market. 2022 rising business opportunities and global trends till 2026. The brew coffee is cocking by using coffee machine. Common commercially available coffee machine involves many types by use of different brewing principles. The application includes household, office, and commercial consumption. Registering a CAGR of 6.7% over the forecast period of 2021 to 2026, the professional coffee machine valued of $4,545.9 million in the year 2020. A few of the important professional coffee machine market players are Nespresso, Panasonic, Nuova Simonelli, La Simbali, Jofmar, Astoria, Fiamma, Illy and others. Furthermore, the global professional coffee machine market is divided by type, and by applications. Key highlights. DeLonghi SPA, how DeLonghi La Specialista Espresso machine is revolutionizing home-brewed coffee. Let's face it, going to the cafe every day is expensive, not to mention time-consuming. And, as any true gourmand knows well, you can make far superior stuff at home. Thank you for watching us. For more information visit us at industrydataanalytics.com.